Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the audio and app. Open Garageband on your Mac or iPad, then import the song or voice memo you'll use. You want under 30 seconds because ringtone limits matter, and short fades prevent abrupt clicks. Once imported, make sure your track sample rate and tempo match the project. This keeps pitch stable. Then create an audio or sampler track and drag the clip in. You're now ready to edit the exact section you want as the ringtone. Once your clip is in place, focus on precise editing. Split at the start and end points, delete extra bars, and add crossfades so the loop feels natural. You should normalize or adjust gain so peaks sit about -6 decibels. This prevents clipping on the phone. When satisfied, export the selection as an AAC or M4A file, then change the file extension to M4R so the iPhone recognizes it as a ringtone. This conversion is essential for the phone to accept the file. To install, plug your iPhone into your Mac and drag the M4R file into the device's tones section in Finder or iTunes, then sync. Once synced, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone, and pick your new tone. If it does not appear, make sure the file is exactly under 30 seconds and named M4R, then restart the phone and resync. If problems persist, re-export from GarageBand with a different bitrate and repeat the install. That often resolves compatibility hiccups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.